Hey fam, look, here we go. I've been resting up for a few days, but what I've been working on, I have been working on some things, or especially this sample here. But what I wanted to do is I went back to the samples. I went back, pulled some vinyl. I found the group War, and the title of that album was called Galaxy. So I took some sample. Well, I took a sample off of that and just chopped it up a little bit. Not a whole lot to it, and I just did the drum track. So I'm gonna start off with the drum track, and then just bring in the samples that I pulled from that album that I chopped up anyway. So here we go, fam. Back at it. It is Sunday night. I don't have to go in tonight. I'm so glad. Here we go. This was the drum track. Just wanted to give you an idea of the sample. Said wasn't a whole lot to it. I chopped it up a little bit. I'm demonstrate how, or the samples that I did use on this as well. Like I said, this came from War, the group War back in the day. See that album cover. Everything's in good condition. The album cover's in good condition. The album itself is in good condition as well. That Galaxy album. Let's grab the samples off of that song. And here's some of the other samples that I used, some of the chops. I didn't use all the samples, but these are some of the chops that were left over. That's what I came up with, fam. So what I want to do now, I want to start something else. Just give you a little taste, let you know I'm still in the game. I haven't gone anywhere. Just needed a few days rest. I was a little tired, so I just rested up a few days. But this is what I did come up with a few days ago. Just tightened it up just a little bit, added some hi-hats to it. But that's basically it. Once again, Galaxy War, the group War. Peace out, fam. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and share. Appreciate you.